So where is the bike now, and what's going to happen to it?
The bike's on the way back here in about 7 weeks. 7 weeks.
Everyone, Ross's scooter back from Australia has just been shipped directly to us, and it's well packed and looks in good nick. He didn't have any major damage to it. He seems to have picked up a chrome wheel rim somewhere along the way, so chrome does get you home. And lots of stickers. I mean, you really want to go over that in detail, where he's been and the stickers he's picked up, but it's all pretty solid. And it's going to be in our showroom for a little display for a while, and then, I don't know, Ross might come back and pick it up one day and do another journey on it, who knows. Watch this space.